My parents say you're a bad influence. Holy shit. I bullied this guy before. I don't know. His IP's in my IP log. Probably. Don't listen, Evac. Don't do nothing stupid, Evac. Oh, what a rookie, bro. What a fucking rookie. He still gets the blown up strike zone maps. What a rookie. Rage. Wait, don't start it. What'd you say? What'd you say? Yeah. Oh man, don't scare me like that. I hope he doesn't hack my account. I know it's not you. I'm too scared to even play like that. Please don't do that, dude. Please don't, dude. I won't. I wouldn't even. I hope your power doesn't go out during this match. Alright. Well, I hope your power don't go out. 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 You right. Your power will be out. You'll be done for the week. No game battling for you. No game battling for you. That's the cheapest one. I don't know how much I paid. I got 1,200.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective. We lost that round, but we can still win this. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. We lost that round, but we can still win this. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
We lose this right now. Run around.
Excellent job, team. Get ready for the next round. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Would you like a book, bro? Like, hold on, okay. Let's put it down over here.
Time's almost up. The bomb has been planted.
It's over here.
Excellent job, team. Get ready for the next round. Switching sides.
Fact that we just pulled that off. Sorry.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective. Complete the mission, soldier. You're the only one left. The bomb has been planted. We lost that round, but we can still
We're
win
so
this.
gonna die.
Halftime.
Probably would have heard you anyways.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. Excellent
What?
job,
You
team.
killed
Get
both
ready
of
for
them?
the next round.
How did you kill the other one? Oh shit.
Switching sides.
I didn't even know that.
Search and destroy.
What? The actual fuck is that?
Defend the objective. Time's almost up.
I went down here.
Excellent job, team. Get ready for the next round.
Go. Like that, quick job, babe.
Switching sides.
Quick job, babe. Just sit back and I respond.
Search and destroy.
Like, let them come to us. You watch the top. I'll watch top stairs if you can watch
Destroy
bridge.
the objective.
I'll watch bridge. Yep, next time they could be. Hated it.
Time's almost up. Excellent
Oh my
job,
God.
team. Get ready for the next round.
How are we doing this? Oh shit. I'm lagging.
Switching sides.
I think he's overloading my internet.
Search and destroy.
About to jump offline.
Defend the objective. Last man standing. Finish it. Time's almost up. We lost that round, but we can still win this. Switching sides. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. It's all up to you now. Finish this. Time's almost up. We got the bomb. We lost that round, but we can still win this. Overtime. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. You're the only one left. Remember your training. Time's almost up. Mission failed. We'll be prepared next time.